Hello everybody, this is Granny. Last week I did a video where we went to Copper Creek. My intention was to take you up the mountain and show you the view. So we started off going that way again today. Before we got there though, we decided to stop and pay our respects to Indian Henry. Along Highway 7, you'll see a sign that points the way to Nisqually State Park. If you go to the end of that road, you'll come to the Mashel Prairie Indian Cemetery. Indian Henry was friendly with the white settlers when they first came to Washington State and made a lot of really valuable contributions. If you'd like to know more about Indian Henry, I posted a small article in the information section below this video. As we got closer to our destination, we realized that Glacier View probably wasn't a very good idea this early in the season, so we stopped at Skate Creek instead. We used to go to Glacier View in September to pick huckleberries, and since I did the video and kind of built you up to see Glacier View, here's a few older shots. The little black and tan dog is our dog named Spike that we had at the time. We lost Spike several years ago to cancer. And here we are at the top of the mountain, and as you can see, the view really is amazing. What do you think of an auto mechanic with a sense of humor? Well, thanks for joining us today, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.